Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make salad delicious. To begin, always prioritize fresh, high-quality ingredients. They are the foundation of any great salad. Think about balancing textures, aiming for a mix of crunchy, creamy, and soft components in every bite. Also, don't forget the visual appeal. A colorful salad is often a more delicious and nutritious one. These initial steps set the stage for an unforgettable culinary experience. Next, let's talk about the dressing, which is truly the heart of a delicious salad. A classic vinaigrette uses a 3-to-1 ratio of oil to acid, like olive oil and vinegar, for perfect balance. Whisk in aromatics such as minced garlic or finely chopped shallots to add depth. Remember to season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. This enhances all the other flavors. A well-made dressing elevates the entire dish. Now, let's focus on layering for maximum impact. Incorporate a protein source, like grilled chicken or roasted chickpeas, to make your salad more substantial and satisfying. Don't forget to add something crunchy. Toasted nuts, seeds, or homemade croutons provide a delightful textural contrast. A touch of sweetness or tang, perhaps from dried cranberries or orange segments, can brighten the entire flavor profile. These layers create a dynamic and engaging dish. Finally, the finishing touches make all the difference. Always dress your salad just before serving. This prevents the greens from becoming soggy and ensures a crisp texture. A sprinkle of fresh herbs, such as chopped parsley or dill, adds a vibrant burst of flavor and color. Serve your masterpiece in a wide, shallow bowl, which makes tossing easy and allows each ingredient to shine. Enjoy your perfectly delicious salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.